Valentine set up dinner for two. Nice and cozy, set up close to each other. Flowers in a vase on a tray with your candles. Your charger plate, dinner plate, dessert plate, your napkin, your silverware, your water, your wine. And you got a nice quick setup, cozy at home. Just as good as a restaurant would set it up for you if you went out. And get your evening started with your loved one. Happy Valentine's Day. Valentine ideas setup number 2. Have a cozy movie night with your loved one. Get your blanket, your pillow, tray. Bring your wine on over from the dinner table and your flower. Get your popcorn. Put your feet up. Get up under that cozy blanket. Put that pillow behind your head. Put that nice movie on and enjoy a wonderful movie night with your loved one. Happy Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day idea number 3. A way to end your lovely day. Give yourself your own turn down service with your Valentine pillow, glass of wine, candle, and kisses to kiss your loved one good night after a wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed all 3 Valentine ideas. And until next time, happy Valentine's Day.